Okay, number 7. Find the range of values of a constant k so that 3x squared plus kx plus 12 equals 0 has no real roots. Okay, paano mo malalaman kung no real roots? Okay, pag mag-mention siya ng ilan ang roots, no real roots, equal roots, pag mag-mention, merong mga mention na ganon, ang ibig niya sabihin, or natukoy niya is actually the discriminant. Discriminant. Walang space, not. Discriminant. Ano ba yung discriminant na yan? So, recall nga natin ang quadratic formula. Di ba? Pag given ka ng ax squared plus bx, again, bx plus c equals 0. Of course, alam natin na kailangan a is non-zero, not equal to 0. So, pag bigyan ka ng quadratic equation na ganyan, ang solution yan is x equals, memorize niyo ba? Dapat memorize na. X equals negative b plus 1 minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, yan ang quadratic formula. Saan dito ang discriminant? Ang discriminant actually dito is yung nasa loob ng radical sign. Nasa loob ng square root ito. So, ito ang tinatawag nating discriminant. D. Sila. So, yan ang discriminant. Kasi na-discriminate niya kung may solution ba, may real solution ba, wala. So, pag D, kasi sulat natin na D, discriminant is equal to D for discriminant equals B squared minus 4AC. So, yan ang discriminant. Pag discriminant is negative, less than 0, then sasabi natin na it has no, the given equation has no real roots. Has no real roots. No real roots. Meaning, has no real solutions. Pag equal to 0 naman, sasabihin has 2 equal roots. Meron siya solution pero parehas lang dalawa. Equal. Or has equal roots. Tapos, pag greater than 0, pag the discriminant is greater than 0, then sasabihin natin na it has distinct. Ibig sabihin ng distinct, magkaiba. Hindi sila equal, so magkaiba sila. Magkaiba. Distinct roots. So, ang hinahanap sa problem is no real roots. So, para masabi natin na no real roots ng isang equation, quadratic equation, dapat ang discriminant niya ay positive, negative, or 0. Dapat negative. Oh, like that. Wait. Yeah. Dapat ang discriminant niya ay negative o less than 0. Diba? Kasi no real roots. So, discriminant niya ay 0. So, that's the first part of the solution. And then, the next part of this video, we will now be solving for the discriminant. And solving for the values of k kasi nanap dito. Solve for the values of k such that itong quadratic equation na to, 3x squared plus kx plus 12 has no real roots. So, solve natin ang discriminant niya at saka malalaman natin ang solution ng number 7.